A cute cartoon race car with big eyes on the windshield, smiling face, bright red paint, on a racing track. Cartoon-style cars with faces, talking to each other in a colorful city, inspired by the Cars movie. A 1950s vintage cartoon car with exaggerated features, white wall tires, shiny chrome, in a bright sunny background. Cartoon monster truck with big wheels, smiling face, driving through a muddy forest trail. Funny cartoon police cars in a high-speed chase, bright city lights, exaggerated motion lines. A futuristic flying cartoon car with jet engines, colorful lights, hovering over a neon city.